And welcome back to MeshCommander. On my previous video I mentioned the ability to integrate ChatGPT into the Meshtastic environment with MeshCommander. The scenario with that does have a little issue. For example, if anyone, were to request a ChatGPT response, then it's open to everyone to actually use. But what happens if you wanted to restrict it to only a few nodes? Now, what I've done is I've created and uploaded a Linux script which can actually resolve a problem like that. So if you go to my Google Drive and under the folder MeshCommander Linux scripts, there's a new one which is available for download called reply if on approved list. So what that actually does, if I go through it now, maybe I'll just open the script. I'll just connect onto my Raspberry Pi, which is running MeshCommander. So with previous videos, I'm downloading the scripts to a script folder, and I'll just edit the reply if on approved list. And I'll just go through that. Well, the section which you really want to pay attention to is this part here. Like I said, check out my previous videos because that'll help you understand this one. So, for example, imagine a message is sent out and you may want to do a reply on specific nodes. So this section here, we look at an approved list. So this approved list will contain the nodes that you want to reply to. Okay, so and if it's not on a list, it'll just get rejected. In this case, well, if it's not on a list, it'll send a reply back to a user saying not on the approved list, and if not, it'll just continue if you are on the approved list, and then you'll get the message which is intended to. So this is quite a general script. So what you can do, say for example, I mentioned previously about integrating ChatGPT. Well, you'd put your code in here, which calls the ChatGPT, and then obviously the previous few lines above then would restrict it down to an approved list. And it really is that simple. So these are Linux scripts, so this only applies to the Linux environment. Although MeshCommander does work on Windows, yeah, I've only just supplied the Linux script to do this. So the approved list, which is just open here, we'll just populate it with whatever nodes you want to reply back to. So for example, with a scenario of ChatGPT, so if you were to send out a hash ChatGPT and whatever phrase and enter with this script, you'd have a reply back only if you're in the approved list. If not, you'd have a message saying no, you're not on the approved list. This could be handy if in your local area you're providing a service. So you may have a group of people that you've designed a program that provides information, and you just wanted to hand out just several people. I know you could say, or then you just have a private channel. But with private channels, what happens if someone else gives that private channel to a few other members? So this way you can control what information goes out to what node. So yeah, that's kind of it. So it's incredibly flexible, MeshCommander, but just tinker around with it and enjoy. Please donate to this project and like and subscribe. Thank you.